on? It's your boy DJ Lamb, aka Love Profits. Man, and if you are watching this video, that means that you somewhat want to learn about trading. Like somehow, some way, you are here to maybe start trading, or maybe to just start learning about the markets. You see me talk about it, or however you got here. If you here, then that means you are wanting to be exposed to trading. And that's my goal. My goal is to expose you into trading. Everything is going to be completely free. It's going to be group based. Everything is completely free, but my goal is just to expose you to the markets, get you started trading, get you starting to understand what's going on, and maybe I'll be a one-stop shop for you. Maybe I'll be the only person to expose it to you and get you over the hump, or maybe you might find someone else strategy or another trader out there way of trading, how they see it and how they teach it suit you best, or different even a different market options, stocks, futures, something else. Who knows? You might not even know what I'm talking about. But the goal at the end of the day for me is exposure and to get you started, and hopefully probability, but definitely exposure, basic knowledge, and just getting your feet wet in the very first market. So, if again, I'm going to teach you how to show you how to get everything set up. I'm going to go through it. So, this here, you're going to go to my Instagram. Okay? Then when you go to my Instagram, you're going to click the link tree. Once you click the link tree, click the trade with me. If you're not in my trade in Discord, click that as well. Okay, so now you're going to bring here, and this is going to be your thing. So this is going to be where you set up fix this. This is where you're going to be. This is where you're going to register. Now make sure you register with that link. Now make sure you register with the link in there, so that is the only requirement to get into the signals chat, and to follow my trades and things of that nature, is to follow that link. So once we do that, now we're going to create an account, right? We're going to sign up. So let me just give John Doe. I can do a regular. Let me do a one I don't even use anymore. Old one. Phone number, let me enter random. I think this is my first phone number. United States, and then password. Let's do boom. Alright. Now okay. Now being here, right? Now being here, what we'll do is create a live account. Well, that's how we sign up. So after we have signed up for Hanko Trade, right, and we are in, our new account we just made, please make sure that we remember our usernames and our emails, because this is important. We're going to be getting the money, with depositing and withdrawing from this website. So this is where the money goes and comes from, right? So this is going to be important. So now we're going to create accounts. This is how you're going to create your trading account. So we've created a brokerage account. This is like creating a bank account, right? But then you actually have to have a actual account at the bank, right? So Hanko is just the kind of the bank you're using, and then you're going to create an account. So right here, you're going to make sure it has live and demo. So first, you're going to create a live account. So you're going to press create live account, select the ECN blue, right? Currency is going to be USD. If you're Euro, if you're Canadian dollar, you pick the correct currency. No Bitcoin, do not click Bitcoin. Leverage is going to be 500, and then you can create an account. Okay, then you can create an account. All right, boom. So now also to create a demo account. A demo account is an account that you can trade paper money, not fake money, but you can practice your strategy. It's pros to creating the demo account is learning how to manage trades, learning how to use the platform better, and you can practice your strategy. The only thing about the demo is you're not able to practice getting the real emotional feel that comes from trading within the foreign exchange market. But it's still great to play around with and, just practice. All right, and here, so you can come here, create a demo account, ECN blue, select currency again, USD, 500, and the amount, try to put a realistic amount. Like if you are somebody that's going to start with $500 or start with $100 or start with, $200, $1,000, put in there what you're going to start with. So I can say, let's just say 200 right here, or 250, boom, and then we create an account. Bam. Okay, so once you have pressed the create account button, the demo or live, no matter which one it is, they're going to send you the credentials in your email, and it's going to look like this. All right, they're going to send you the credentials in the email, and it's going to have your account ID and your password, right? So your account ID and your password, and these are the credentials that you're going to use in order to log into your account. So you can download, it says download the Hanko X for desktop, for mobile, Android. I use the ActTrader though. Okay, so you can click download Hanko X for desktop now. Alright, and it take you right here. Okay, so like I say, what you do is you grab the account ID, you copy it, paste it, grab the password, paste it. Oh, invalid username. Oh, I make sure it's demo. Bam. Now I'm in, right? And my balance, your balance in the demo should be what, whatever you made the demo. And yeah, so that's how you create an account and then get into the account. So you're gonna need to, in order to fund the account, I recommend using Cash App or Coinbase. For Cash App users, this is going to be a quick and simple tutorial on how to verify your Cash App for Bitcoin to be able to be sent out and received, because you're going to send the money from your Cash App via Bitcoin to the broker Hanko, and that's where you're going to withdraw it to Cash App as well. So go ahead and watch this.
How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, you first have to understand one thing. We are not verifying Bitcoin. We have to verify our Cash App account. As long as we don't verify our Cash App account, Cash App is not going to let us make full transactions such as depositing and withdrawing Bitcoin from the Cash App. So keeping that thing in mind, what you need to do is just go ahead and then actually open up the Cash App on your phone. Once you open Cash App, you just need to tap on the home icon from the bottom left of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called buy Bitcoin. You can just tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option called deposit Bitcoin or get your Bitcoin address or buy Bitcoin. Now, as I told you earlier, Cash App will not let me conduct any of the activities as long as I don't verify my Cash App account, right? So basically, to verify my Cash App account, I can just tap on buy or I can just tap on deposit, and then it says me to keep your account safe, verification is required to buy, send and receive Bitcoin on Cash App. So to verify our Cash App account, we just need to tap on the verify identity button. Then after that, it's asking me to choose a cash pin. So let me just go ahead and choose a cash pin for myself. Then again, I'll go ahead and then confirm the cash pin that I want to use. Now, you don't really want to share your cash pin with anybody. I'm only showing this to you because I won't really use this account. Then after that, you simply need to go ahead and then enter your legal first name as well as your legal last name. Then just tap on the next option. Then after that, it's going to ask you to enter your birth date as well as the birth month and the birth year respectively. After you've done that, just tap on the next option from the bottom. Then the next step will require you to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. So if you want to verify your Cash App account, you need to be a legal citizen of the country and verify the last 4 digits of your SSN. So once you verify the last 4 digits of your SSN over here, you can just tap on the next option. If an account with that specific social security number actually exists, it's going to require you to make further processes on how you can actually verify it. It will ask you to take a photo of your document or whatever else. And once you've actually done that, in my case, I just entered a random SSN, so you're seeing this option. Now, once you basically
Okay, now that we have made the account, we have put the account on the ActTrader, the same way the ActTrader app, right? The same way we logged into the Hanko Trade is the same way we log into the ActTrader app with the credentials that came in the email. So once that happens, now we can fund the account, right? And we fund the account, we go here, we click fund, and then we go to Bitcoin. Once we go to Bitcoin, we're going to select the trading account. It should only be one there. The currency is USD, and then we enter the amount here. Let's just say 250. Once we get that, proceed. We're going to get a Bitcoin wallet address. We're going to copy that. And then we're going to use this video here to teach you how to transfer the Cash App to another wallet.
Different wallet. So here we are on Cash App on the home screen. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. If you don't have any yet, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel.
So you got to get the money onto the Cash App first.
I already have about $58 of Bitcoin, as you can see there at the top of the screen. So I'm just going to show you how to transfer this to a different wallet. So each Bitcoin wallet will have an address. If we scroll down here to deposit Bitcoin, you can see that you could copy your address for this wallet here. So I've already gone ahead and copied the address for the wallet that I want to send to. So now I just need to scroll up, tap this send arrow on the right side of the screen, and tap send Bitcoin. This toggle in the middle will let you select between Bitcoin or dollar value. I want to do Bitcoin value. I'm just going to send this full balance that I can see here, 0.00216,469. And then I'm going to tap send at the bottom of the screen. It's going to give me a bunch of different options, but I just want to paste in the Bitcoin address.
You're going to paste in the Bitcoin address, that Hanko Trade website that we copied at the beginning. That's what you're going to paste there.
And then I'm going to tap on the address again right next to this blue arrow. That's going to select it, and then I can just tap next. It's going to give me order details. I can pay a small fee, a rush fee, or standard, which is free. There is a minimum sending amount for standard. I'm not in a rush to send this at all. I don't really want to pay a $2 fee even, so I'm just going to do the standard and tap next. It's going to give me my order details here, which wallet I'm sending to, the amount, USD value, arrives in about 24 hours. No fees for this one. I'm going to tap confirm and send. It's going to scan my face. And just like that, the transaction has been initiated. I can tap done, and now this Bitcoin is on its way to my other wallet. Now we just have to wait for this to get confirmed on the network. Once I get the notification that this transaction went through, I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So now that I've waited a while, here's what the transaction looks like when it went through. Very easy, simple, and smooth process. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful.
Linktree, click the trade with me. If you're not in my trade in Discord, click that as well. So in the Discord, there's a couple of things to note about the Discord. The first thing is all of the trades come into the money text, right? If you're not in the money text, that means you haven't verified your account being made with Hanko Trade with me in order to, you know, get into the trading, the money text chat. If you aren't in the money text chat, just send me a screenshot. Well, just send me your name and email you signed up with so I can verify that you are supposed to be in it. All right. So once you're in it, make sure you click, right? So you click the channel and you turn on the notifications for it. Make sure you go to all messages. On your phone, it will look like you just clicking the title, like going into the settings of it, and make sure you have the notifications on for all messages. All right, all messages. If you have any other questions, put them in the main chat. But that is the main thing you need to know about the Discord. Other things will be dropped in crypto, daily fundamentals. We'll have different things about news going on, daily technicals. We'll have explanations, higher level explanations of structure, and things of that nature. So with that, and then in here will calls that will be going on tonight will be posted in the call schedule. But the main thing you need to know is the money text. Make sure your notifications are on for all messages in the money text. And then secondly, just make sure that you have been verified and got within that so you can get the signals. Okay, now if you have completed all of that, your account is funded up, you have sent me a verification, and you're in the money text, congratulations, you've taken the big step into starting your trading journey. One thing I'm not guaranteeing you is profits, because I don't know what you're going to do behind your screen with your phone in your hand. But one thing I can guarantee you is exposure and continuous knowledge, as long as you tap in, with the Twitches, with the group, and you stay involved. I think this is God's right to abundance, because the barrier of entry is nothing. A lot of times to do things in the world, we need a resume, we need qualifications, we need X, Y, and Z. And with this, all you need is a little bit of discipline and a little bit of money. And you can be able, the possibilities are endless. There's no cap on how much money you can make. This is where the most money in the world is in the world. And it's on your phone. It's in the financial market on your phone. So it's completely up to you from now on. The next video I recommend you watching is the how to input trade signals. Also, there are many different other videos to start watching. But again, completely up to you, and I wish you the best on your trading journey.